Are you tired of your Netflix binge session draining your wallet rather than filling it? What if I told you that you could make $320 a day while enjoying your favorite shows and movies on Netflix? It may sound too good to be true, but in this video, we're about to unveil an incredible opportunity that combines your love for entertainment with a source of income. If you're looking to make money online and want to get paid for doing what you love, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we reveal how you can turn your Netflix time into a profitable venture and start making $320 a day. Let's dive in and turn your leisure into earnings.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
We are going to walk you through a fantastic opportunity to earn money by doing what you love. Watching videos. We'll be focusing on two platforms, Netflix and Amazon Prime, that offer positions where you get paid for watching and reviewing content. Let's begin with Netflix. You've probably heard that Netflix taggers can earn up to $45 per hour. This means you can potentially make $500 per day just by being a Netflix tagger. But what exactly is a Netflix tagger? Well, it's someone who watches shows and provides valuable feedback to Netflix about these shows. Now, you're probably wondering how to find one of these positions. It's simple. Open your web browser and head to jobs.netflix.com. This will take you to the Netflix jobs page. From there, use the search bar to look for Netflix tagger. You might see several listings, so scroll down and keep an eye out for the Netflix tagger position. Keep in mind that these slots are in high demand, but Netflix tends to replenish them regularly, so keep checking back to secure your spot. Now, it's not just Netflix that's offering these opportunities. Amazon Prime has its own version called Amazon Prime Buff. Reviewers working for Amazon can earn up to $40,000 just by reviewing content on Amazon Prime. It's a fantastic way to turn your love for watching videos into a source of income. Both Netflix and Amazon Prime provide a chance for you to earn significant money from the comfort of your own home and your own schedule. It's all about doing what you love, which is watching videos. The Netflix tagger position is in high demand and there are limited openings available. However, Netflix tends to replenish these slots on a monthly or weekly basis. So it's crucial to keep checking their website to ensure you secure one of these sought-after positions. In the meantime, we'll show you another way to earn quick cash by simply watching videos. Now let's shift our focus to timebox.com, a versatile website where you can earn money through various activities such as posting on Facebook, viewing entertaining slideshows, playing games, installing apps, completing micro tasks, and participating in surveys. As you scroll down to the website, you'll come across some of its key features. They offer daily bonuses, running a competition each day where the top 100 earners receive a nice bonus. The best part is that you can start earning right away without the need of an approval process for new signups. It's as simple as signing up in just 5 seconds. Timebox also boasts a referral program, allowing you to earn commissions from everyone you refer and any advertising deposits they make. They offer weekly payouts and support 6 different payment methods, providing you with flexibility. Additionally, their friendly support staff is available to assist with any questions you might have. Let's move on by creating a free account. Scroll up and click on the sign up button located above. Then enter your email address and choose a password. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot. And finally, click on the sign up now button. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your Facebook account for added convenience. Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video. Now that you have successfully created your account, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the top bar and click on the Earn button. After that, select Content from the drop-down menu. In this section, you'll see a category labeled Clicks. Our aim here is to click on ads and watch them to earn money. However, before you can dive into this task, it's essential to complete your profile. You can do this by following the provided link to ensure you're all set to start watching ads. Another method of earning on this platform is through the Engage section. Here, you'll get paid for watching specific YouTube videos. The beauty of this task is that it can be fully automated. Once a video starts, as long as it remains in focus, you'll be earning. Do note that to cash out from this task, you must have completed at least one item in the weekly checklist goal found on the dashboard. Failing to do so will limit your pending earnings to a maximum of 10 cents, even if you watch more videos. The current rate for this task is $0.005, which means that if you watch 1,000 videos in a day, you will earn $5. To get started, simply click on Start Earning and it will redirect you to a website where you can watch ads and get paid for doing so. The next method to earn on this website is push clicks. In this task, you'll receive payment for clicking on browser push notifications. Your earnings are determined as a certain percentage of yesterday's earnings for each click. So this means that the more you earned the previous day, the more you'll earn for each push click. You'll receive 12 push clicks every day, sent to you every 2 hours. It's important to note that even if you run push clicks in multiple browsers or on multiple devices, you will only be paid for 1 click every 2 hours. Additionally, you must log into Timebox at the time of clicking on the notification to receive payment. The final method for earning money on this website is an attractive one because it provides you with a source of passive income. And it's all about referrals. To get started with this, go to your dashboard and locate your unique referral link. You should find it on the left side of your screen. Using this method, you will earn a 10% commission on lifetime earnings of anyone you refer to Timebox. This means that if your friend earns $100, you'll automatically earn $10 without any additional effort on your part. To make the most of this referral opportunity, you want to follow a strategic approach. Start by copying your unique referral link from your Timebox dashboard. This link is your key to earning commissions from your referrals. Before posting your referral link, it's essential to target the right audience. Look for Facebook groups related to making money online. These groups are often filled with people actively seeking income-generating opportunities. Don't limit yourself to just one group. Join several groups that focus on different aspects of making money online. This increases your exposure to potential referrals. Before you start posting referral links, engage with the group members. Leave insightful comments, answer questions, and build a positive reputation within the group. This helps establish trust with the community. When you're ready to make your post, provide valuable information about Timebox. Explain how the platform works, the various ways people can earn, and why it's a legitimate opportunity. Be transparent about your own positive experiences with Timebox. Emphasize the benefits of joining through your referral link. Mention the 10% commission they can earn for themselves and the passive income you'll receive from their earnings. People are more likely to take action when they can see clear benefits. Encourage group members to click on your referral link. A well-crafted call to action can make a significant difference. For example, you can say, "Join Timebox through my link and start earning today." By following this strategic approach, you can increase your chances of earning more through the Timebox referral program. Building a successful referral network takes time and patience, but the potential for passive income is well worth the effort. And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified in our future uploads.